Hello guys, it's Fisher with Tech Realty Rentals, and today we're going to be showing you a few tips and tricks on how to properly use your thermostat in your rental home. Alright, step one, and I know this seems obvious, but is going to be to locate your thermostat. If you have two HVAC units, you're going to have two thermostats. Typically one will be downstairs and one will be upstairs in the unit, and typically that upstairs one will be in the master bedroom. But just look around, it'll be somewhere on the wall like this. It might not look exactly like this, as there's a lot of forms of thermostats, but just find it on the wall and we'll go from there. Step two is going to be setting your thermostat to cool or heating. Obviously, if you want to heat, you want to make it warmer in the house. If you want to cool, you want to make it cooler in the house. So here we are going to go to mode. It might say something different on your thermostat, but it'll be something along these lines. Mode. Click on it, and we want to be cooling the house, so we're going to choose cool here. But as you can see, there's a heat/cool, and an off option here. Again, we want to be setting it to cool today, so we're going to click cool. Once we've placed it on the cool setting, we want to determine and place it to the exact temperature that we would like it at in the house. Right now it's at a 73, but I'm feeling kind of warm in here, so I'm going to want to set it to about a 69-degree temperature. And as you can see, it says it's going to take about 2 hours to get there. The setting in your house isn't going to be affected right away. It takes a little bit for the HVAC unit to work and make it cooler in the house, but in no time it should be at that 69-degree level. Couple other tips and tricks in terms of using your thermostats. Sometimes there are preset or temporary holds on a thermostat unit, and it won't let you adjust your thermostat accordingly. A lot of times this is due to the fact that there's a preset schedule on the thermostat that someone else has placed. And what you want to do is just go in and delete all of those preset holds, and then it'll allow you to just adjust the thermostat as you go and as you please. Another trick when it comes to using your thermostat in your HVAC unit in your rental unit is going to be knowing the fact that typically your HVAC unit won't let the temperature in the house get down to any more than 20 degrees less than what it is outside. For example, let's say it's 95 degrees outside, you won't be able to set it to 65 degrees. Your HVAC unit just isn't going to be able to get down there. It's going to be constantly working, taking up energy. It's not going to be able to get down to that. So we recommend setting it to about 20 degrees less than what it is outside. So if it's 95 degrees, you want to place it at about 75, as that's a realistic temperature it can get to.